everybody. Adam Savage here in my cave with a show and tell this morning that is a direct result of a video we shot a few weeks ago. And that is the repair and reassembly of a part of my Victorinox Swiss Army display model. It sits above my lathe. And in that video, I discovered while showing it off, while doing a show and tell about it, that it was missing a blade. I remade that blade, promptly mounted it backwards. And I know that's driven a whole bunch of you absolutely bananas. And I apologize for that. However, it's just, yeah. At any rate, that video went up a few weeks ago, and I just got this incredible letter to tested.com. Dear Adam, I hope this letter finds you healthy and well. I wanted to reach out to you as I've really enjoyed watching your latest video where you repaired the giant Swiss Army knife. It was a great pleasure to see how you managed to bring the broken tool back to life with your ingenuity and passion. As a sign of my appreciation, I would like to present you with this Swiss champ that I myself assembled here in Ebach for you. I hope it inspires you to continue the great work that you do. With kind regards from Switzerland, Carl Elsener, the CEO of Victorinox, assembled a Swiss champ and sent it to me. Carl, holy cow. He finishes with, if you ever find yourself in Switzerland, we would, of course, be happy to offer you a factory tour showing you how we produce the knife that brought you and your viewers so much joy. Oh, it's on. It's on. Yes, totally. I want to come to Switzerland. I want to visit the birthplace of my favorite knives. What a delight. I didn't expect to do this in this. But as I was talking about the knife having the blade mounted backwards, I realized that it's cruel for me to talk about it, knowing that it's sitting there driving so many of you nuts and not dealing with it. So in celebration of this magnificent addition to my pocket knife collection, I thought I'd celebrate by fixing that blade for y'all. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Give me a second. This thing was making some bad noise recently, so it's maybe reasonable. So okay, so the offending blade is this one, and it's mounted upside down and backwards, and I think it's a fairly simple matter for me to replace it. This thing was making a clicking sound recently, and so I turned it off until I could deal with it. So it's all sort of time to make this thing better again. Okay, so I want to disconnect that. Right, and that means I have to undo. Wow, there's a lot of stuff stacked up in there, isn't there? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna get a nut driver for that. Let's see if I got the right one. Nope. And nope. All right. I don't like to make that many trips. No. 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 There it is. I'm going to swag this out of my way. There we go. Yeah, something like that. That keep it out of my way without harming it? Sure. Okay. Oh, right. That's also, yeah. Now I see. Okay, I think I can. I can. Yep, I can. Okay, great. Washer. So now what I want to do is I want to turn this way. And I want to put this over here. Right? Right. So the question is, right, I want it the opposite side, the opposite side. All right. Yep. Okay, good. It's a pressure fit. So now it sits on this side facing that way, and I can figure out its position. Yes, I can just use that. Look at that. Okay, I need a transfer punch. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so it's gonna... Oh, wow, it's way out to the edge there, but yeah, that is exactly where it is. Yep, I just happened to cut the whole thing wrong, but that's where the hole is. So then the question is, what size hole do I drill? And it would be a 0.115. And that's close to 1.25, but that's an 8, and I don't need that. This is going to be a pressure fit, so just grabbing a drill here. I'm using the one drill bit under the 1.094 or 0.109. 7/64. Okay. And put it in there. Oh, no, it's the wrong way. Great. That's a nice solid fit. That felt like a good purchase on it. Did I put it in the wrong side? Did I manage to do that? Hang on. Hang on. Did I really manage to? Or is it supposed to go in this way? No, that's all. That's no good. That doesn't work. No, it's got to go the... Yeah, sorry about that. I was about to mount it wrong again! But wait, I'm very confused. I thought... Yeah, I thought that it goes this way. However, I seem to have mounted it backwards. Okay, so let's do it this way then. Again, it's a very light load. Okay. Then this little Teflon washer. Then that guy goes back. Oh, right, and then this comes back down. I knew there was something going on. So, wait. You... All right. Let's see what we can get out of this. Oh! Nope. Okay, so something's dreadfully wrong there. Wait. I know, you're probably watching knowing exactly what's going wrong here for me, but I don't. I think that one of the things is that you stay. I will find a circlip for you, I promise. See, okay, let's just see if that does it. Is all right with the world? All is right with the world. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that back off. I'm gonna put this nut on, and then I gotta do one thing. I gotta find a circlip for that little pin right there. Okay. Let's see. It's a very, very small one. Very, very, very small. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those. Hold on. This one? Let's see. Oh, oh, I lost it. Okay, I need a pair of needle nose. Ah, I see what I did. That is supposed to go on the other side? No, it's fine there, isn't it? Yeah, I think that's fine. All right. Let's see here. Great. Test power. Yep. Is that it? Okay, let's just double check. Ooh, I almost got sliced by my own knife. So, where was I? I was finishing up. There you go. My fellow completists who found this blade being backwards to drive you nuts, I apologize. All is back to normal. Carl and all of the amazing people at Victorinox, thank you for making such awesome tools that make so many more things possible for the people who are carrying them. And I will take you up on the invitation to come to Switzerland and visit your factory. Damn, that sounds like fun. Thank you guys for joining me for this show and tell, and I will see you next time.